Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Install Docker and docker-compose by running the following command. Next, create a new directory called ListMonk in your home folder. After that, change the current working directory to the newly created. Download the official docker-compose configuration file from the ListMonk GitHub repository. Opens the docker-compose file in the NANO editor. Here you can edit environment variables such as database credential or ports. Next, start the PostgreSQL database container in detached mode. Runs a temporary ListMonk container to initialize the database and set up the required schema. After that, start all services defined in the docker-compose file. Now go into your web browser and go by your IP address with next port. Everything that you need is to configure the admin account and you can start work with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.